Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Well, the time has come. I am finally going to try tactile switches. I'm going to put them on one of my favorite boards, the Yunzi AL80, a full aluminum board. Currently, it has the Gatreon Zero switch, which is quite delightful. But here is my HMX Frog tactile switch. I want to thank my good friends at Kinetic Labs for sending me these HMX Frog tactile switches to review. Here's the before sound on the keyboard. All right, let's get to it. Now, HMX is known for extremely smooth switches, but until now, they have not had any linear switches at all. So they spent over 2 years refining their tactile modes, and now they're introducing the HMX Frog tactile switch. So this is a really exciting release. Wow, you guys, I have to be honest. I don't know why, but I thought tactile switches were going to be either really clicky or just really poppy, and these are so creamy. I love them. I highly recommend these.